Back on the road again in Carmel. Gonna check out Ocean Avenue and then hit up some hotels on 17 Mile Drive to spot some hypercars. Beautiful old Ferrari. Look at this, Ferrari F50. Oh my God. That is so fucking cool. Wow! I need one! Look at this, Shelby Cobra behind it too. That sounds so insane! It's so loud! Good. Nice turbo GT. Check it out. All of the 1016 industry cars lined up on the red carpet. That is pretty cool. Oh, what's up, guys? Wow, the spec on that Turbo S Cabriolet is clean. So sick. In the Venom F5 ahead of us. So damn cool. Oh, that thing is so epic. Back on 17 Mile Drive. So gorgeous in this forest. Oh my God, look at this G-Wagon. Beautiful classic Ferrari in the parking lot. I believe it's a 275. And then over here, crazy spec on this SF90 with the Assetto Fiorano package. I love that ducktail spoiler. This thing looks mean. And then check this out, more epic parking lot finds. Look at the color on this GT3 matte gray. That looks incredible, particularly on those bronze wheels. Crazy two-tone Maybach, but look at this, F12 TDF with the Italian flag logo. That is insane, and also was about an inch from probably $150,000 new front bumper repair. I love these F12 TDFs, one of the best looking and coolest sounding Ferraris ever made. Cool license plate too. My friend just pointed out something I've never noticed before on the TDF. It's got this little wing for aero on the windows. That is crazy. Coolest traffic attorney around, ticket dismissers. What's up, guys? Oh, that thing is so oh my God. Ridiculous phantom drop head, 300 SL Roadster, some gorgeous classic Porsches, new Z06. That's pretty cool to see. First time seeing one of these on the road, actually. Looks like it is a press car, but damn, that's epic. Nice pista as well. Check this thing out, 250 short wheelbase recreation made with all original Ferrari parts. Really gorgeous. $2 million apparently. Oh wow, that interior is really cool. Really cool M cars pulling up. Look at that Porsche too. Ooh, beautiful classic Ferrari GT500. Look at this thing. That is crazy. Look at all of these cars going for a cruise. So damn cool. Ooh, beautiful Ford GT, nice Shelby Cobra, E30. So sick. How cool is that? Yeah! Whoa. All the gorgeous homes along Spyglass Hill with a view of the beautiful ocean. Pulled over at a gorgeous pullout to take some pictures with the 600 and the E46 M3. Got another gorgeous E46 M3 here as well. Nice C63. Nice 650S Spider pulling up. Smoking a cigar, epic. Look at this Aventador Ultimate driving with its doors up in the air. Check this thing out on HRE wheels. That looks so good. Ferrari F40 pulling up. Wow. Check out these Lambos. That is so sick. Nice ZR1 in front of me. These things have gone crazy in value recently. Beautiful F12. Nice 812 super fast. Look how many people are out on Ocean Avenue right now. This is insane. That Huracan race car on the street. The cars pulling up to this house in front of me are so legendary. P1 GTR, oh my God. Beautiful GT2 RS. And then the older 2RS over here as well. P1 GTR coming up again. About to hit the Exotics on Broadway show, and the McLaren looks absolutely disgusting. Time to get it washed. Look at this thing. What on earth am I looking at? Really clean spec Bugatti pulling up. That thing is sick. And then check this out, this rat rod with a motorcycle in the trunk. I really like the color combo on this full blue exposed carbon fiber. Such a deep growl. Look at this, guys. Chassis number 59 McLaren F1 that's going up for auction and may just very well set the overall highest auction record price of all time. It's one of just 9 cars with the high downforce kit. Got that massive rear spoiler, slightly larger wheels. The spec on this is incredible. Now, chassis number 59 happens to be the same number as the F1 that won Le Mans. Check out the spec on the interior, those red seats, and of course the iconic center seating position. Oh my gosh, this thing is breathtaking. Get a look at the intake plenum on this thing. This car will likely fetch north of $20 million. So hopefully between now and tomorrow, I win the lottery and I can bid on it. Just kidding. It also has one-off headlights. Most of the McLaren F1s have headlights that go all the way to the edge there, but it's got covers that honestly look cooler than the other ones. I will say this weird rhino shield liner on the bottom of the door is interesting. I don't know why they didn't just clear bra it multiple times. My friend just bought a rabbit. Oh my gosh, that is so cute.